Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Kristie with agtakesover. Tomorrow is Valentine's Day. If you are familiar with my channel, I put out a community post a little while back asking, hey, which of these 4 Valentine's Day themed videos should I do? And people voted and I just couldn't pick. So my solution was all of them. So the first one was decorating my dollhouse and doll spaces for Valentine's Day. The next one was a themed dressing my dolls video. And yesterday I uploaded a tutorial with 7 different Valentine's Day appropriate hairstyles for your dolls. And today we're doing a craft. So yeah, indecision means lots of videos for you. So this video is a no-sew craft. Because I'm doing it the day before Valentine's Day, if you don't have the supplies, you're not going to be able to do it in time for tomorrow, but hopefully it's something that you'll be excited about year-round for your dolls. So this bralette, I've seen people on Instagram or wherever post pictures of their dolls in little bralettes, and I thought, I don't really sew. I mean, I do the most basic of sewing, so can I do a no-sew version of this? And this morning I tried it, and turns out, yeah, really easily. So, and as a bonus, we're going to go ahead and do some kind of leg warmer, boot cover, whatever you call those things. And I had enough scraps left over to do just a hair tie and kind of pull together a whole cohesive look. So you can get whatever 2-inch wide elastic lace you want. I recommend this package from Amazon. Yes, it's like $17.50, which makes this one particular craft a little expensive. But you can literally make 20 bralettes and 20 sets of boot thingies and 20 matching hair ties for $17.49. Yeah, that's not even $1 each. It's actually an incredible deal. Or you can make a couple bralettes and do whatever you want with the rest of the elastic lace. The world is your oyster. So here's the material list. Beyond the ribbon, which you probably don't have on hand, the rest is super basic: a hot glue gun and a glue stick, scissors, and a tape measure. It took less than 10 minutes. So let's do this. But actually first, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please take a second to do that. You can tap that notification bell and then you'll know whenever I upload new videos. And please give the video a thumbs up if you like it and let me know what you liked about it in the comments. So this is the one I did as my trial, and you can see and the straps weren't measured perfectly, but it still worked. We're going to measure things out this time. So it looks like 12 inches, not in focus, but you can see it clearly enough. 12 inches for the rib cage. And then I'm going to go with 6 inches for each of the straps. So yeah, 12 inches and 12 inches. I didn't realize that you could see the camera's up on an ottoman, like a little footrest, and I didn't realize you can see it in the frame, but whatever. We aim for good enough, not perfect, right? All right, so that looks like roughly a foot. Do it again. The ribbon arrived I keep calling it ribbon. The lace arrived kind of wrinkled, but I feel like it's going to be stretched taut enough that I didn't need to waste my time or energy ironing. And you may not be able to see it, but I felt like one side was a little bit shinier than the other, so I made a point to have that side facing outward. So there are the straps. And then this is left over, but we'll use it later. All right. I wanted to get something to set everything on so that if I get any overflow or any spillage from hot glue, I'm not ruining my carpet. So here I'm trying to show you which side is shinier. You really can't see it on camera. Again, if you're so inclined to, if you just have a good relationship with your iron and like to use it, then you can iron this. I didn't, and everything was fine. I wanted to weight it down, so I grabbed whatever was nearest, and a Valentine's Day cupcake was nearest. There's my halfway mark. This is probably not the most precise way to do it. you know what? It's not the most precise way to do it. But hey, I use things like doll cupcakes to weight things down, so I've already lost track of where that was. So let me measure in 6 inches. And of course, I didn't have a pen handy, so I'm just making a mark with my fingernail that you can't see, but I can. Hopefully, if nothing else, my approach to tutorials helps you feel like a little less nervous about things, because it does not need to be perfection. Right? Don't go crazy with the glue. Just get a little bit, and I'm putting it on the side that's folded over versus the open side. I'm going to have the open side facing the doll's feet, downward, whatever. And we're halfway done. Easiest craft ever. Like, for the outcome, seriously, I've done crafts that take a lot longer and don't really look as impressive or aren't as functional and useful. This is a little hot, but not bad. Other than making sure you've got any excess glue off of there, that's literally it. So let me grab a doll. It's Journey, our Truly Me 45. And I'm just going to make sure that I get this centered. Hindsight 2020, I probably have that a little high on the rib cage, but you know, since these girls don't actually have anything chest-wise, I guess it doesn't make any difference. All right, I wish I had a joke to tell you because I don't feel like doing the editing to speed up this video, but I really struggled with this knot. And since you're not sewing anything, this is really just a matter of playing around with it and getting it where you like it. Because I obviously didn't want it, you know, super broad at the shoulders, but you could have it really, really kind of pinched in and make a smaller triangle shape. I definitely was frustrated with the first doll that I did this on because I didn't have her hair adequately out of my way, and it made it really hard to tie these because they're not super long and it's, you know, kind of thicker stuff to be tying. So yeah, get their hair out of the way. Look at that. How long did that take? Mere minutes. It's so cute. It's so cute. Okay, so this part is 4.5 inches. I measured my doll's like calves basically and decided 4.5 inches is what I wanted to use. And I'm going to make these, gosh, if somebody knows what you are supposed to be calling them, let me know. The boot things, the things that go underneath the boots but stick out. Yeah, English. It's not my friend today. Okay, so I wasn't sure with the last one if I could still get these over the doll's feet if I hot glued them, but it is elastic lace, so I'm gonna try it. This is actually the reason we even had this ribbon, because my wife, Grace, wanted to do some of those boot things. And I'm telling you, I think that hot glue is actually the way to go. This seems like it would be something that's hard to work with on a sewing machine. I don't know, but it seems like it would be. And I think the glue is going to work well enough. It doesn't even look bad from behind. It's not like it looks a mess. That was easy. All right, so I'll show you one of them so you believe me that it was easy. I think 4.5 inches was a good width. If you wanted these to be really low and not go as high up on the calves, I guess you could do like 4.25. I think 4.5 was good. It also meant that it was really easy to get them on. Pleasant Company boots. I'm so pleased with how this is turning out. Okay, let's see all the individual pieces. The bralette, the boot things. Somebody put me out of my misery and tell me what they're called. And the hair tie, which I didn't need to show you. It was just a leftover piece. Here it is all put together, and it is with, I paired it with a skirt that my wife made me for Christmas. So look, aside from the boots, this entire outfit was made by us. Yes. Okay, I hope that you are inspired to go order some of this lace and try it out yourself. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you so much for watching and have a fantastic Valentine's Day.